Hey there! Today we're going to learn to make this really easy and simple interior decor. Let's get started. To make this, you will need a spherical thermocol ball, some cocktail picks, a knife to cut through this ball into half, and some gold spray paint. Using the knife, carefully cut the spherical thermocol ball into two halves like this. Take one hemisphere and let's start adding in these toothpicks or cocktail picks. I'm starting from the center of this hemisphere and placing the picks around. You can follow a particular pattern or randomly place these toothpicks in this thermocol ball. There is no right or wrong way. As you can see, I've tried to insert these picks at a 360-degree pattern and making sure to fill in any spaces that are left with more picks. This helps in making the decor look a lot fuller and more visually pleasing. Once we have the base design of this beautiful decor, all we need to do is add a touch of gold spray paint to this. Make sure to spray paint from a distance of at least 15 centimeters or 20 centimeters and let it dry for up to 1 hour or based on the instruction on your spray paint can. And that's it. Wasn't that so easy? Your porcupine-inspired interior decor element is now ready to adorn your homes. Keep this in a space that you like or even in your work desk. Enjoy and happy creating!